Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to print a professional-looking brochure straight from Canva. Whether you're putting together something for your business, a school project, or even a community event, by the end of this tutorial you'll know step by step how to design, download, and print a brochure that looks fantastic, all with just a few easy clicks. Let's jump right in. First, let's head over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a super user-friendly online design platform. You only need a free account to get started, but feel free to log in with your own credentials. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a big Create a Design button. Go ahead and click that. This brings up a handy search bar because, let's face it, Canva has templates for just about everything under the sun. Now in that search bar, type brochure. This will pull up a wide variety of brochure templates. Think of it like browsing through a digital catalog. You'll see different styles and formats like trifolds and bifolds, so take a minute to scroll through and pick a template that really matches your needs or branding. Don't worry, you can always customize the details later, so just choose whichever one catches your eye. Once you've picked your template, click to open it up. Here, where the fun really begins, you can edit everything. Drop in your own photos, change the text, adjust the colors to match your logo. Basically, you can make the brochure truly your own. If you're new to Canva, just click on any element and use the editing options at the top. Take your time here, it's worth making sure every detail looks just right. Don't stress if something isn't perfect at first. You can always go back and tweak things until you're happy with the result. When you're satisfied with your design, it's time to download it as a print-ready PDF. Look to the top right corner for the Share or Download button, click it, and then select PDF Print as your format. This step is important because PDF Print ensures your brochure exports in high-resolution quality with the right color settings for printers. Make sure you check the crop marks and bleed boxes if you want your design to go all the way to the edge of the paper with no white borders. It's a little detail, but it makes your print look so much more polished. After you hit download, your file should save right to your computer. Next, open up that PDF file in Adobe Acrobat or another PDF reader. You can usually just double-click the file and it will open. Once it pops up, look for the small printer icon, usually at the top of the window. Click that to open up your print settings. Now here's the key part. To get your brochure to print like an actual booklet, look for the option labeled Booklet in the printer settings window. Selecting Booklet will automatically arrange your pages so that, when folded, they appear in the correct order, sort of like magic, but with math behind the scenes. If your printer supports double-sided printing, double-check that it's set correctly so both sides come out seamlessly. Take a moment here to adjust the settings to fit your paper size, orientation, or any other preferences you have. Every printer menu looks a little different, so don't hesitate to explore the settings. It's totally normal if you need a test print first to make sure it lines up just the way you want. Better safe than sorry. And now for the final step, hit that print button. Wait a moment for it to process and then collect your finished brochure. Give it a quick fold along the lines and admire your work. You've just created a professional brochure using Canva and printed it yourself. Pretty impressive, right? If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any hiccups with your brochure. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.